everyone, it's me again, Ara and Benalaba. For this video, I'm going to show you how to get a limiting reactant.
And multiply it by its atomic mass. So 26.98 grams of aluminum. So this 26.98 grams of aluminum is the mass of aluminum. And multiply it by the 2 moles of AlCl3 by the given in the balance equation, and divided by 2 mole of Al. So if you're gonna question me where do I find the 2 is in the atoms of Al. So here are the stepping of how to solve it. 2.67 gram of aluminum is the aluminum of the in the given, divided by 1 mole and multiplied by 1 mole of aluminum, and divided by 26.88 gram of aluminum, and multiplied by 2 mole of AlCl3 and divided by 2 mole of Al. And the answer is 0.0989, and we run off it's 0.0990 mole of aluminum or AlCl3. The next one is HCl. So HCl reacts 3.5 gram of HCl multiplied by 1 mole of HCl and divided by 36.46 gram of HCl. So 36.46 gram is the atomic mass of HCl, and multiply it by 2 mole of AlCl3. Multiplied it by 6 mole of HCl equal to 0.032 mole of HCl or AlCl3. Since this is the lowest number, so 0.032 mole HCl is the limiting reactant.